Hey guys, welcome back to Willpower Garage. As you know, I'm currently building a car to participate in Drag Week 2025, and with that I'm using a lot of old parts. So old parts comes old grease and grime. So here's a part that I'm going to have to use for the LS engine there. With Super Clean's products, all you really need to do is spray it on and rinse it off. So it's as simple as that. I'm going to spray this guy down here. Right away you could see the grease and grimes washing right off of this. So I usually spray this stuff down. I let it soak for a few minutes. One thing I should point out is you don't want it to dry on there. And if you don't want to deal with the hand pump like this, Super Clean also comes in an aerosol form, which is nice and easy to use. Same formula, spray it on, let it soak, and then rinse it off. So while those are soaking, let me show you guys a couple of the other things I like to use Super Clean on.
Super Clean Degreaser works quickly to remove grease, oil, dirt, and grime. Super Clean products are biodegradable, phosphate and bleach free. You can use Super Clean at full strength or change the concentration to customize your cleaning solution, creating a reliable product for all of your cleaning needs. Super Clean works best with cold water, and as I said earlier, it's important to never let Super Clean dry on your surface. Be sure to check out their website at superclean.com for application tips and helpful videos. I will have a link to their website in the description box below, so check them out for all of your cleaning needs.
Alright guys, now that it's been sitting for a little bit, let's rinse it off. Super Clean works best with cold water. So get a nice little jet going. And literally just blow all the grease away. Do this guy. Look at that, these coil packs look like new. Can even see the writing on the spark plug wire now. Alright guys, if you want a nice easy way to clean your greasy parts, or your rims, or your boat, or even your upholstery that your kids stained up with ice cream, I suggest to check out Super Clean. I'll link their website in the description below. But as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.